I found the top 5 land surveying mobile app with good accuracy. Most of you have been requesting for surveying mobile app that is available on mobile and app store. So today with DeepSeek AI, I'm going to walk you through on how to find out the top 5 mobile app that has good accuracy, which you can download on your phone. Follow me as I review to you the top 5 mobile app. Prompting my DeepSeek, I will say, give me top 5 land surveying mobile app with good accuracy. Top 5 surveying mobile app with good accuracy. With this, we are good to go. Now, checking through what we have on the site that's giving us good results so far. The first one is GPS field area measurement platform. It's available on your Android and also available on iOS. And what are the key features for field area measurements? A smart maker mode for precise pin placement and automatic GPS tracking. That is, you can use field area measurement for tracking. It can calculate area, perimeter, and distance with high accuracy, which was one of the key factor for our search. Support manual working GPS measurement mode, allows saving, editing, and sharing data via auto-generated links. Okay, ideal for farmers, construction teams, and event planners. For field area measurement, I have a video on how to use it on my channel. On the video description, I'll drop the link on everything you need to know about field area measurement, how to use your field area measurements in detail, so you get that. Coming to the next one, we have Land Glide. So it's also available on your Android and iOS, and the key features are thirdly, we have Light, and Light is only available on iOS. So the key features are the first one. We have GeoMeasure Area Calculator. It's available on Android and iOS. The key features are okay, and lastly we have ArcGIS Survey 123, also available on Android and iOS as well, and these are the key features.